Welcome to Friday Takeaway. Today we've got UMW Oil and Gas and Dialog, but first we look at Donald Trump, who has warned of an imminent US strike against Syria in what is essentially a sharp escalation in the war of words between Russia and America over an alleged chemical weapons attack near Damascus. Facebook chief executive Mark Zuckerberg was grilled on Capitol Hill for data breaches on 87 million users, but lawmakers did not introduce profit crimping regulation as feared, sending Facebook shares up, adding some $17 billion to their market value. Now, the Malaysian Election Commission controversially set polling day for GE14 on a Wednesday, which critics say hurts the lower income groups since they don't have the luxury of midweek office leave to return home to vote. But Section 25 of the Election Offences Act 1954 states that an employer must give sufficient time for employees to perform their duties as voters on polling day, failing which the employer shall be liable to a 5,000 ringgit fine or a maximum of 1 year imprisonment. However, May 9 has since been declared a public holiday. On to the FBM KLCI. As at 10 AM, the index was down 0.3% to 1,869 points, but that's still over 30 points higher than last Friday. Year to date, the KLCI is up 4%. Now, in this week's This or That, it's a toss-up between two oil and gas players. On one side, UMW Oil and Gas, which has been whacked down recently due for a re-rating due to a better outlook. On the other side, Dialog, whose Pengerang Deepwater Terminal is entering their third phase. So let's size them up. A PNB company, UMW Oil and Gas, is an energy services company that offers drilling operations, oil field services, pipe making and oil field products. It's also currently seeking a name change to Velesto Energy Berhad. Now, after 3 years of losses, analysts reckon the worst is over for the company thanks to ongoing cost cuts, a continuing recovery in utilization rates, and Petronas preferring local drilling suppliers. As a result, analysts expect UMWOG to report net profit this year of a forecast 49 million ringgit. 1 year returns are still a poorly minus 54%, but today they are also down 1.7% to 29 cents. So is a turnaround imminent? Well, it's not all rosy. Oil prices remain volatile and could still fall, which could lead to Petronas cutting capex spending again. Now, CGS CIMB have upgraded UMWOG from hold to add, raising the target price to 33 cents. Dialog has got some 2,300 employees in 9 countries, owning and operating upstream oil fields and storage facilities and offshore supply bases like Pengerang in Johor. They've begun work on Phase 3 of their Pengerang Deepwater Terminal, in which it will own as much as a 50% share, higher than in Phase 1 and 2, while the market is also excited by Dialog's multi-year growth in tankage capacity. Today, their shares are down 0.3% to 3 ringgit and 14 cents. Still, 1 year returns are still in the plus 75% level. Dialog's ownership in Pengerang Phase 2 could be diluted if and when it ropes in another equity partner, while other risks include a decline in spot storage utilization rates and lease rates. CGS CIMB maintained their ad call but raised the target price by 85 cents to 4 ringgit a share.